Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about TCS latest onboarding updates. So these are the latest updates as of now. So in this video we are going to talk about TCS February joining update. What is the current status as of now for the February joining update and offer letter information. Also we are going to see some of the common doubts that we have received on our previous videos. So make sure to watch the video till complete end to receive all the latest information related to TCS onboarding information. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates from our channel. Also, if you have not yet followed us on Instagram, make sure to do so, as there are a lot of job opportunity on Instagram that we regularly post. One thing to note, I have taken some of the comments on the previous videos, so I have not replied to the comments. I have given a heart to those comments which I am replying in this video. So if your comment has got a heart, make sure that you check this video. Your comment is answered in this video. So first of all, next joinings of TCS is expected in the month of March. Why I am saying this? Because as of now, nobody has received the joining dates in the month of February, and we all know that joining letters are given to the candidates before 20 days. So if someone has received, or if someone received their joining letter on 1st Feb also, then it means that their joining will be around 25 or 21 February. So this means that there are very less chances of getting joining dates in the month of February. So the next updates are highly expected in the month of March. So in my opinion, if you haven't got your TCS offer letters yet and your next step portal is showing batched, then you should not consider yourself as rejected, because for those candidates who are rejected, there is a clear rejection message that is displayed on the next step portal. I am regularly getting these comments that my status is batched on next step portal. Still, am I rejected or not? So for this, if your status is batched, then you should not consider yourself rejected, but you should also not be totally dependent on the company for the joining, because a company might later on update the status and then they will set the status to rejected. So what you can do is you can apply to other drives meanwhile. Next is all the registration for TCS, Wipro and Infosys are currently going on. I have uploaded the videos on the channel. Make sure to check that if you have not yet done so. Moving ahead, so currently IPAs are also going on for all the candidates who has received their offer letters and are yet to receive their joining letters. So make sure that you attempt your IPAs, that is your ION proctored assessment, very well, and don't miss. Don't think like we have to go to the center and let's not attempt only. This is not mandatory. Don't think this way. Try to attempt if possible, because IPs are very important for your joinings also. So first priority will be given to candidates who secure 80 plus in the IP exam. This is a true thing, but this is not a mandatory thing. Okay, this we are going to see later in this section of video. Why? Because some of the candidates who even got 80 plus in the IP exam, still they have not got their joinings. But this is a clear case that if you attempt your IPs and get good score, then you are definitely going to get your joining bonus. So there is no harm in attempting IPs. Moving ahead, so as of now there is no update on the Feb joining, because Explore support team is sending this kind of mail to the candidates who are asking for updates. That is, dear candidate, still the concerned team haven't confirmed the onboarding dates for the February month. Once it's finalized, we'll definitely let you know. Thanks and regards, Explore team. So Explore team is sending this kind of mails, which means that as of now there is no update for the month of February onboarding. So that is why I'm saying that there are less chances of onboarding in the month of February. And also, if there will be onboardings or joinings, it will be around in the between 25 to 30th of Feb, 25 or 25 to 28th of February, because February is only of 28 days. So next is about rescheduled candidates. So all the rescheduled candidates who are waiting for their joinings, we have seen that in the previous month also some of the rescheduled candidates have got their joinings, and now also the other remaining candidates who are waiting for their joinings can expect their joinings in the month of March, because rescheduled candidates are also given the joinings along with the new candidates, that is the first time candidates. Okay, so don't expect like if you are a rescheduled candidates, then you will get after the candidates who are firstly joining. So this is not the case. Everyone will get simultaneously or parallelly. Next is mostly joining letters will be given to candidates who have completed their final year. So if you are someone who has not even completed a final year, then there are very less chances that you are going to get your joinings. Next is completing BGC, that is the background check, is mandatory, and preparing the documents nicely to avoid any delays in joining. So make sure that you complete your background check very nicely. Moving ahead, let's take some of the comments that we have received on our videos and let's try to answer them. So I have given a like to all these comments because I am replying in this video. So first comment is from Avinash. I had completed my TR and HR interviews on November month, but till now I didn't receive any offer letter and it's showing badged in the Next Step portal. Is there any chance to receive offer letter? So yes, if your status is showing badged, then there are chances, but again we do not know how long it can take. So the only option that you have is you can start applying to other companies as well parallelly, and if your offer letter has to come, it will come. Meanwhile, keep checking your Next Step portal in between. This is the only thing that you can do, but keep in mind, if it is showing batch, do not consider yourself rejected. Next comment is from Arsh. Sir, I am selected for TCS BPS post through Smart Hiring November 2022. I got offer letter on 21st of December, and in that mail my HR mailed that I will be getting my date of joining within joining will be in the month of January. When can I expect my joining? Now this is an old comment, so please confirm if you have got your joining as of now. If not, then you can expect it very soon, because but don't be worried. If you have got your offer letter, then be rest assured that you are definitely going to get your joinings. Since the company is not giving joinings to anyone as of now, whenever they will be releasing their next joining letters, definitely you are going to get your joining date. So don't be worried about that. Next comment is from Hemlata. But one of my friend got joining letter recently. He is not even attend CPA exams. I scored 80 plus in CPA, till now waiting for the joining letter. So you can see, I was talking about this case only, that some candidates who has scored 80 plus in the CPA or IPA still are waiting for their joinings, but whereas the other who didn't even attempted the CPAs have got their joinings. So this might be cases with some, because what happens is whenever a company takes the exams and then further gives the offer letters, what they do is they divide the candidate in batches. That is, batches means here, batches does not mean your college batch, it means that batches of or groups of candidates, right? So it might be possible that the friend might be in other batch and that batch has got their joinings, whereas the other batch who is of 80 plus marks are still waiting. So this is a totally different scenario. But one thing is, you should not be thinking like this, that CPA is not mandatory, so we should not attempt it, or IPA is not mandatory. Even though if it is not mandatory, it is beneficial for you only. So some candidates even say that we have completed the 80%, 70% or 80% of courses in the Explore, but still we are not getting. So these things are not even related, right? So this is only for your learning and your benefitment. In majority of the cases, it is noticed that candidates who have scored good in CPA and IPAs get an early joining. So for that reason, I always say that try to get as much marks as possible in your exams. And talking about the latest joining dates, so one batch was onboarded on 23rd of Jan and the other was onboarded on 30th of Jan. So those candidates are currently undergoing their trainings, and after some days, once their training will be completed, they will be on bench for some time and they will start getting the call for projects. So this is the latest update for those candidates. So with this, we have come to an end of this video. If you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section and I will be solving those doubts in the next video. Make sure to join us on different social media platforms like Telegram and Instagram. You can even DM on Instagram if you have any specific query that you cannot ask in the comment section. So DMs are always open. You can ask them in the DM section also. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to receive all the latest regular updates. I try to create a video every week so that you are updated with the latest information on the onboarding updates. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive the latest updates. Thanks for watching the video.